You're opening a can of sardines, and your puppy is giving you those big, begging eyes. But wait, can puppies eat sardines? The answer is yes. Sardines can actually be a superfood for puppies, but only if prepared the right way. Sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins that support brain development, a shiny coat, and strong bones. But here's what you need to know. Always choose sardines packed in water, not in oil or with added salt. Too much fat and sodium can be bad for puppies. Make sure they're boneless or have soft, edible bones, and serve in small amounts to avoid an upset tummy. So, can puppies eat sardines? Absolutely, just keep them plain, fresh, and in moderation. Want more puppy food tips? Like and subscribe for more.